Good morning, YouTube family. So I have several friends inquiring about how I grow a store-bought pineapple like those. So what I thought I'd do is make a video. So we are coming over here to the coconut coir and worm casting pile. Let me see. I actually might need to take a little bit out of there. Okay. So I made a little divot in the center, okay? I'm actually going to grab some dirt from here that has some of my compost in it. All right. It's a warm one today still. I'm looking forward to some fall weather, actually. I'm not normally a fall person, but, well, I take that back. I am a fall person for the fall colors. But it's a time that tells me that my growing season is almost over, and that makes me sad, except for the fact that we have this greenhouse. So, where on earth did I put the tripod? Okay, so here is the pot. Like I said, I've created a little divot here in the center, just kind of a little bowl. And here's our pineapple. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna hold on to the base, hold on to the, get a really good grip of the stem, and you're gonna twist. Hang on. Holy cow, this one's on. It could not be ripe enough yet, but we're gonna keep working at it. Yeah, there we go. It's working loose. Okay. They usually twist right off, so it's just because, see how it's still green? That's why. There we go. Okay. All right. Perfect. We will take that inside and finish it up. But what we are going to do now is, see the leaves? Okay. We are going to pull about 3 layers away. Okay. So just pull them down. And we are, oops, let me back it away here. So what we are trying to do is expose the roots. It's kind of a fascinating thing here. All right. Okay, well, I'm starting to see the roots, and you will too in just a second. Oh, look at that. Okay, look at that. All right, I'm gonna do this one, and then we're gonna call it good. Look at that. Okay. Sorry. All right. Ooh, let's go one more, because I see some hiding under there. Maybe not all the way around, but a good section. Look at that. All right. Okay, so we've exposed the roots. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're literally just going to set it down in. Okay, and so what you're gonna wanna look for is, it's okay if these outer leaves start to turn like this, okay? So long as you continue to have green growth coming up through the center, that's what you're gonna be looking for, right? So these are okay to turn brown. as long as you see new growth coming from the center. Now, it might take a while for you to see them coming up, but they'll be there. Okay, I'm going to take you back inside the greenhouse so that you can see what I mean by the inside, because it looks pretty hollow in there, right? All right, let's grab. I'm gonna grab a smaller one so you can see, but let me zoom in here on the big guy. Okay, see that? It's creating new little tiny leaves right there, and there's one on the other side, and it will continue to do that. So see, there's brown edges on the outside ones. Don't worry about those. Let me grab this one. Okay, so whoops, let me back it up. So brown leaves on the outside, that's fine. So long, see the new babies down in there? So long as we are still getting, let me see if I can get in there. So long as we are still getting those inner ones coming up green. That is what we are looking for, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and grab the hose. If you live in a climate where it freezes like I do, then you may want to, if you don't have a greenhouse, you may want to bring them in for the winter, okay? But from what I understand, it'll take roughly 2 to 4 years for it to be of age to give us a actual pineapple. But that's okay. I mean, I'm not bothered by that. I just think it's absolutely cool that I can do this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 store-bought tops now. And I will keep you guys updated on the process of this little guy. All right. If you like this video and found it helpful, won't you please press that like button and share it with your friends? And if you aren't already subscribed, I would love you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be informed when I upload a new video. And that will help get the word out about people growing their own food. Take matters into your own hands, people.